In this tutorial, we will learn how to disable rescue mode in Virtualizor. If you have previously enabled rescue mode for a VPS, then to disable it, click the Manage icon of that VPS and open it. Click to select the Rescue Mode option. Notice that the rescue mode is enabled. To disable it, click the Disable Rescue Mode button. The process has started and it can take some time to complete. That's it. The VPS will start in normal mode. Now you know how to disable rescue mode in Virtualizor. Thank you for watching.